So, hi guys! Today mag-hit na tayo ng level 100! Let's go! Magle-level 100 na tayo! Okay, innocent pa rin, syempre. Okay,
Turn off mo yung mic mo, bro.
Okay, pinapalo niya ako. Doon yung sheriff, oh. Doon yung sheriff, oh. You know, ay yung murderer. Yung murderer, okay. Okay, where's the sheriff? Or the hero? Okay. Guys, the murderer is here. Our goal is to get level 100, okay? And the murderer got free. Okay, there's another hacker in here. Our goal is to get level 100 sheriff or murderer, okay? And the murderer resetted. Oh, I thought the murderer resetted, okay? If there's no coins, that means the murderer resetted. If the coins are gone or the victory sign pop up. Okay? Let's go, GG's! We got level 100! I'm gonna screenshot it. We got level 100 and a victory. Okay? Let's go, level 100! Let's go, level 100! Let's go! I'm the number one player in this server now. So, hi guys! We just hit level 100.
Gising kasi ako.
Bye!
Hindi ko siya ginigising nito.
Wait.